I always go to the 3 Ps when talking about the first step in planning a meeting. You have purpose, preparation, and participation. So purpose, understanding what your desired outcome for that meeting is, what the purpose of hosting that meeting is. And then you have participation, so identifying different roles for your staff and how you want them to participate, identifying the specs of your meeting and understanding the necessary people that you need to have there. And then you have the preparation, identifying a clear agenda to your program and budget and making sure that you're fully prepared to host that meeting. You have a couple of different reasons that flexibility affects your overall cost. So the first thing, of course, is cost savings. Many hotels have off-peak and peak times of the year. If you're a little bit flexible, that gets you into the availability to do off-peak, but you're more likely to get those deep discounted rates. Having some flexibility opens a little bit more increased availability at the hotel so they can work with you on times of the year that work for you. It also ups your power, your negotiation power, because if you're booking in a time when a hotel really needs to fill or when they don't have any group business, here's where you can come in and negotiate better amenities, better services at the hotel, better dinners, better lunches, better breakfast, better meeting spaces. So it really opens up your power to work with the hotel and get the best that you can. It gives the hotel an opportunity to optimize their staffing because since it's a slower time, they can make sure that staffing, catering, room setups, all of those are top notch. It just leads to a little bit of a smoother planning experience for you. First things first, every group gets a dedicated event planner and coordinator for their event. This person is with you from the time that you book through your detailing, your menu creation, your budget creation, all of that. That person will be your sole contact. They have coordination, on-site AV, personalized activities that you want to do. We also offer site visits and walkthroughs of the hotel. We like to welcome our guests prior to their event to come to the hotel and take a look around, get to know the property, be able to identify for yourself where you might want to have your meeting, just get a familiarity with the location and hotel that you're coming to. And then, of course, the Equinox, we offer post-event feedback. So we want to know how your event went. So there's a lot of things that we want you to get to do while you're here on that site visit that we use to help create a seamless planning process for you. We want you to come back to the hotel. That's something that's very important to us. And then, of course, being able to identify local activities that the group can do. There's so many things here in Vermont, especially at our resort that we partner with Land Rover, we partner with Orbis, we partner with the locals to do paint and sip. We also work with a wonderful company, United Adventures. They do so many team building activities from cooking classes to murder mystery parties to food trucks, and they're a really great partner of ours. So offering that expertise and structured service and hands-on support is really what makes the process for first-time planners a stress-free and process and have a successful event.